much to call it home. I'm doing just fine. If they need me, I'll be underneath the palm tree.
Okay. Don't know why I did that. Good morning. It is 5 to 9 on the 29th of May 2019. It's my brother's birthday, and because of that we're going up to London.
Hey, feeling good like I should.
Alarm going off. Why was it that? I do these things late at night. I don't remember why I've done it.
Stress. Got that sunshine on my Sunday best.
Okay, we finally made it to our Airbnb. It is now 10 to 2, but we had a nightmare on the train because the train, Great Western Railway, decided not to put like 3 carriages on. So that means our carriage wasn't there, and so we didn't have a seat, and neither did many others, and they were all getting very angry, and so we've complained and we're going to get our money back, which is good. Yes, I'll give you a little tour before we make a mess of it. It's just a very small little studio flat, so we've got a wardrobe there, our bed is there, and then TV and kitchen, and then the bathroom's in there. It's literally tiny, but it's all we need because we're literally sleeping here and that is it.
Never stress. Got that sunshine on my Sunday best. Hey, some days you wake up and nothing works, you feel so
I'm being secretive because I'm embarrassed, but we're at Build Studios and we're about to watch an interview.
I read it somewhere that I was like, it's going to be easy to get to.
Here, Carly Rae Jepsen, some other people. So that should be fun. These seats are really uncomfortable, so let's hope that I don't have to sit here too long.
That's exactly where it is.
The new album, Dedicated, you must be so pleased with the reaction so far.
I'm pretty thrilled, yeah. It was a very long process to make, so it's nice.
But I saw that Too Much, the new single, came up very near the top. What is it about that song that got you so much?
It's very self-reflective. It explores sort of both sides of the coin. The insecurity of what it is to be too much for someone, too much, too emotional, too crazy, too loud, to all the things. And then it also sort of comes back to the place of like, well, you know, too much is not really a bad thing. For the right person, you're just enough.
Yeah.
And
It's 5:45, and we're waiting outside a club. You can't even see it because I'm sat down. And it's raining because we're queuing to see Carly Rae Jepsen. And the doors don't open till 7 because that someone being my brother, is a mega fan. Well, kind of. So we have to get that early. And it's as you can see, it's been raining because my hair is just not looking. There's somebody behind me.
No.
Oh my god. Oh. It's just cleaning. Also, this is going to be the first time I've been in a club, and it's for a concert, so I think it's just a bit sad, but oh well. You live and you learn.
Despite the challenge, all you gotta do is leave it better.
I've just got out the concert and I'm now carrying a box of Cocoa Pops to London because Ben's just drinking milk. We went shopping because we got no food. Yeah, so we came out of the concert. I probably can't show you any of it because I get copyright, but it was good fun. How did you enjoy your birthday, Ben?
Yeah.
I'll do covers over the top, you're welcome.
The covers will get taken down as well.
Yeah, but it'll sound so bad that they won't realise it's that song. I'm hugging.
Oh, okay, we went the wrong way. Oh well.
Right. I think I should be in charge tomorrow because we keep going the wrong way, and basically today is just taking longer than it should have, and my legs are killing me. I'll update you when I'm back to the Airbnb. Bloody hell. Ooh, look at that. Home sweet home after 10,000 million miles. Ben's got to find the code. This is when it takes another 10 minutes than it needs to. It's fun.
I don't need much to call it home. I'm doing just fine. Whatever, cause there is no way you're around it. Everyone falls down sometime, but you just gotta know it'll all be fine. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Hey, feeling good.
Say goodbye to the Airbnb. It's day 2 of London. It is currently, what time is it? 10:05. We're just leaving our flat today. We're going to Paddington Station. We're going to Paddington Station straight away to drop my suitcase in a luggage locker thing because I don't have to carry it around today. And then we're going to go to Oxford Street probably. So yeah, that is the plan. If we can get out.
The sun goes down on you. You gotta keep that shine on top, yeah. On top, yeah. On top, yeah. And even if the sun goes down on you, you gotta keep that shine on top, yeah. On top, yeah. On top, yeah. I'm cruising through the city. Had to get outside, it couldn't get any more pretty. I'm moving, hey, who's coming with me? Swerving on my bike, making 20 feel like 50. Man, they miss me, hey. Got the pedal moving swiftly, vibe like suns, and I had to raise them strictly. Wishing I could always stay this way, hey. Chilling by the bay, had to make me say that even if the sun goes down on you, you gotta keep that shine on top, yeah. On top, yeah. On top, yeah. And even if the sun goes down on you, you gotta keep that shine on top, yeah. On top, yeah. On top, yeah. Yeah. Now break, take it in, feel it all around. Take a breath, feel the wind, don't fake. Nah, that's a sin. Invest in yourself, liberate, dividend, cash it in, never spend, unless you chillin' with a friend. And he don't have the means to get his pocket filled with tens. Still a man is wishing I could always date his way. Hey, chillin' by the bay, had to make me say that even if the sun goes down.
So we're at the Gap, but we're not. We're near St Paul's Cathedral. I don't know. We're in a little modern shopping centre thing. Just been to the toilet so I could change my jeans because A, I spilled some ice cream down my white jeans, so that's going to be fun to get out, and B, these are so much more comfortable to sit in on the train. What we're doing now? Ben's Google things to do in London because we're not sure what we want to do and we've got quite a while. The thing is, you think everything's so near, but it's just not. So yeah, we've been shopped out and I wasn't even that successful, so it's a bit gutting. But we've decided where we wanted to come to, and it was Piccadilly Circus, and now it's just a bit anticlimactic really. I swear, oh yeah, it's Spam's around there. But it's very busy. Now it's rush hour, so we should probably head to Paddington to get our bags and then go home.
To get outside, it couldn't get any more pretty. I'm moving, hey, who's coming with me? Swerving on my bike, making 20 feel like 50. Man, they miss me, hey. Got the pedal moving swiftly, vibe like suns, and I had to raise them strictly. Wishing I could always stay this way, hey. Chilling by the bay, had to make me say that even if the sun goes down on you, you gotta keep that shine on top, yeah. On top, yeah. On top, yeah. And even if the sun goes down on you, you gotta keep that shine on top, yeah. On top, yeah. On top, yeah.
It's our last meal in, I was about to say New York, because that makes me really sad. Damn it. Our last meal in London before we go and catch our train. I'm tired and I'll update you on the train.
He don't have the means to get his pocket filled with tens. Still a man is wishing I could always date his way. Hey, chilling by the bay, had to make me say that even if the sun goes down on you, you gotta keep that shine on top, yeah. On top, yeah. On top, yeah. And even if the sun goes down on you, you gotta keep that shine on top, yeah. On top, yeah.
back in Tiverton, even though that's not our hometown.
You're recording now?
No, I'm just talking to myself. And now we've got a 20-minute drive home.
Not 20.
Not with your driving, it's not. Yeah, we're going home now. It's 9:30 nearly. Woo. At least we got a seat on the train. Oh, what was that?
I don't know.
Yeah, we did get a seat, but not next to each other, so...
Well, it was next to each other.
Well, no, but not like right next to each other. Also, I wasn't by the window, so sorry I didn't get any cute flashes. Oh! I won't see you at home, there's no point. I'm tired and I may as well end this here because God knows how much I filmed. Well, anyway, yeah, I have to be a bit more enthusiastic. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe and give it a like, and I'll see you next time. Probably with me and Wesley are gonna, you haven't met Wesley, but me and Wesley are going to film a, what do you call it, like a friends buy each other outfits, but it's gonna be a charity shop edition because Wesley is the king of charity shops. Little will he bow down to that title, but we're going to make him. Anyway, we're now behind an ambulance for some reason. But yeah, I'm gonna sign out here. Bye guys. Goodbye.